Good evening, panelists. My name is Ayush Agarwal and I come from Ludhiana, Punjab. Being from a business family, I was always interested in commerce and management field. So this was the reason I opted for Bachelor of Management Studies during my graduation. Throughout my life, I have indulged in extracurricular activities, be it taking part in fests, undertaking voluntary work or organizing events. But the most insightful one for me has been when I took a part in business fest and through my innovative ideas, I was able to lead my team to success. During my graduation, I have held various positions of responsibilities. Being a sub-head of finance is one of them. All these positions have helped me fine-tune my leadership skills. I was a member of a Girl Up Ramanujan Club, which is basically United Nations Foundation, which helps in women empowerment. Recently, I completed a 1-month internship at WebGrow Hub as a business development executive. It was an amazing and insightful experience. I was also awarded as a Star Performer of the Month. I have an inclination towards reading as well. I started reading fictions during the lockdown period itself, mostly classics. My other interests include riding bicycle, playing chess and badminton. Thank you. The last 3 books which I read were Animal Farm, The Hounds of Baskerville, and the third being Around the World in 80 Days. My favorite book among them is Animal Farm. I am amazed how Orwell criticizes the totalitarian rule by showcasing animals to portray what humans do. The book has beautifully portrayed that how a revolution is started to stop something happening and then after completing a whole circle comes to the same point from where it started. Just the face of power has changed. The book portrays how the ruling class make fools of the working class, use their energies and resources, and showcases that what happens behind the closed door of powers. How the working class is being brainwashed and made realized that they're satisfied and work free despite of the obvious slavery they are undergoing. My interest in business and commerce field motivated me to choose BMS in finance domain for my graduation, and now it makes utmost sense for me to choose finance as specialization for my MBA, as it not only coincides with my interest but also it will provide a competitive edge over my peers due to my specific background in this field. What fascinates me about finance is that financial planning starts at the beginning of any project and continues till the end. The finances and allied activities ensures the long-term sustainability and growth for any company. During my graduation, I also worked part-time in my father's business, where I was practically able to analyze the financial position of a business and understand what are the financial constraints that an industry is facing, majorly being the working capital problem. My interest in finance domain accelerated during this experience. The current ratio helps the investors and creditors to understand the liquidity of the company and helps them to assess how easily the company will pay off its current liabilities. The current ratio tells the firm's current debt in terms of the current assets. In my opinion, income statement is likely to be the most important financial statement as it reveals the ability of the business to generate profits. An income statement helps the business to decide whether they can increase the profits by generating revenues or cutting costs or both. It also helps the firm to see that whether the strategies they have set at the beginning of the financial period were effective or not. The business can refer to this document to see whether strategies have paid off. Based upon this analysis, the business can come up with the best possible solution to yield more profits. During my part of undergraduation, I was a member of the management society of our college, and one of my team head asked me to participate in a business fest of some college as our society has a collaboration with them. I agreed to participate in the competition and I managed to hold the first position, thus winning a cash prize of Rs 9,000. I was really delighted and my interest for the business fest increased and I took part in several competitions, out of which I won most of them. I paid my college part 3 fees out of the money I won as a cash prize. My father was really proud, and making him happy was the biggest achievement of me. I see myself as a passionate guy who is ever ready to grasp, learn, and grow.